What is local SEO? Local SEO, search engine optimization, focuses on improving your online visibility for location-based searches. When people near your business search for services like best restaurant near me or plumber in Sydney, local SEO ensures your business appears in Google Maps, local packs, and voice searches. Why local SEO matters? Increases local visibility. Helps small and medium businesses appear in nearby searches where real customers are looking for you. Drives foot traffic. Optimized Google Business Profile, local citations, and reviews bring people to your physical location. Boosts trust and reputation. Good reviews and high local ranking make customers trust your business faster. Higher conversion rate. Local searchers often act immediately. They call, visit, or buy. Voice and map integration. Many voice assistants, Google, Siri, Alexa, rely on local SEO data to recommend nearby services.